code, day 6, getting ready for the next problems to become available. Yesterday was a little bit of a disappointing finish. It took me a while to get the answer, but that's okay. Today I'm going to try to keep my solution simple and just have fun with it. Got about 10 seconds left here. All right. Repetition code, okay. It's by the column, not the row. I see. Okay. I can cap to map nth of repeat range. Looks like there are 6 of these. And then $650. That didn't work. Let's see. Map nth lines. Okay, that looks good. No, it doesn't. Input line. What we want is to have followed by, this is going to get them in column order. So why is this not what I said here? Let's try it. What would happen if I just did it this way? And then just added all these together. Need something long, right? All right, if I just substitute that in here, then it gives me this word. Hey, all right. So can we just change the implementation from max key to min key? All right. Well, that was fun. So let's review the problem. Well, actually, let's first look at the leaderboard here. So I didn't get any points for the first part. It took me a little while, but looks like I'm in 89th place. This is for day 6. Where is the leaderboard for all days? 34th, not bad. Okay, let's review the problem. All right. So the inputs to this problem are, let's see. Here we go. So we basically have 8 columns of numbers, and then in each column we have to look at what is the most frequent letter in the column, and then that gives us our answer. So you can see here. I see what I didn't do right. So the main challenge is how are we going to get the columns out? Because it's easy to read the inputs in as a collection of lines. So we start with that, and then we sort of have to do a transposition, similar to what we did for an earlier problem. I think one of the first 3 days. So the way to do that, you can do it this way. This is a lot of code repetition here. So the way to actually extract out this this number is that you have to actually map a map. So the implementation here would be map some, let's see. So I wonder, could I just do this? I think this will work. Will this work? Let's see. Well, without the without trying to do it as just a passing the function directly, let's see. So this will be our, let's see. So what we want is to be pulling out, we want to be pulling out the column here in each of our maps. So map what are we? I see to input lines. Does that make sense? Yes. Yeah, and then the thing that we're mapping over is range, I think. Or do I have that backwards? The first element is going to be substituting can be cast to number. I think it's like going to be. Let's see, without anonymous variables. So let's have our function be just get the nth this is some column here, and well, it's not clear anyway. Difficult to explain while I'm also talking about what I'm doing. But so in this problem, we basically have to take this input here and transpose it into columns. So that's what this is doing. And then for each of the columns, we're getting the most frequent letter in that column out. And this is a straightforward implementation. So just get the frequencies of the letters, find the one. So for the first half of this problem, we're using max key. For the second half, we're using min key. Find the most common or least common value in there, and then this is going to give you a key value there, and then you can just pull the key out of that. And then the implementation is just you sort of map that extraction function over it and get a string out. So pretty straightforward. And let's take a look at our Advent calendar. All right, so I'm not sure what this is going to be in the end. Looks like this is like the side of a building that has lit up windows to say like ho 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 on the side, and then so I don't know if it's like a cityscape and this is maybe a train or something, or it's supposed to be like a miniature, like a toy set or something. But I'm excited to see how it worked out, and looking forward to tomorrow's problem. All right, thanks for watching.